Thanks for joining. Ever feel swamped by endless tasks? Today, we'll unlock 3 ChatGPT prompts that can transform your daily administrative workflow and give you back valuable time. Hello, future admin rockstars. Today, we're diving into the power of ChatGPT to make your life easier. We'll start with a quick refresher on the RCTFC Framework for crafting super effective prompts. Then, we'll explore 3 essential ChatGPT prompts that every admin can use to tackle common challenges, from meetings to communications and information overload. Get ready to empower your administrative work. Before we jump into our specific prompts, let's quickly review the foundation of great AI interaction, the RCTFC Framework. This simple structure helps you communicate clearly with ChatGPT, ensuring you get the precise, high-quality output you need every time. It's your secret weapon for making AI truly work for you, transforming vague requests into actionable instructions. RCTFC stands for Role, Context, Task, Format, and Constraint. First, give ChatGPT a role like you are an executive assistant. Next, provide context, the background information it needs to understand your request. Then, clearly state the task you want it to perform. Specify the desired format for the output, whether it's bullet points, an email, or a table. Finally, add any constraints, like word limits or specific tones. This structured approach empowers you to guide the AI effectively. To recap, the RCTFC framework is your blueprint for success with ChatGPT. By clearly defining the role, providing essential context, specifying the task, outlining the desired format, and adding any constraints, you empower the AI to deliver exactly what you need. This structured thinking is invaluable for turning your administrative tasks into streamlined processes, making you more efficient and effective. Meetings are a huge part of administrative work, from scheduling to preparing agendas and documenting discussions. Our first powerful prompt leverages ChatGPT to simplify these tasks, allowing you to focus on the strategic aspects of your role rather than getting bogged down in repetitive preparation and follow-up. Let's see how you can make meetings work for you. Imagine turning your rough meeting notes into perfectly formatted minutes with action items, key decisions, and next steps in mere moments. ChatGPT can do this. It can also help you draft concise agendas, anticipate discussion points, and even help you craft follow-up emails that ensure everyone is on the same page. This saves you significant time and ensures clarity across your team every single time. Now it's your turn to try. This prompt will guide ChatGPT to transform your messy meeting notes into professional minutes. Notice how we define the role, provide context, clearly state the task, specify the format, and add constraints for brevity. Take a moment to pause the video, copy this prompt from the lab guide link below, fill in your own project details and raw notes, and run it. You'll be amazed at the results. Look at these crisp, professional minutes. By providing clear instructions within the RCTFC framework, ChatGPT effectively extracted the core discussions, identified the key decisions made, and, most importantly, clearly assigned action items with owners and due dates. This level of detail and organization, generated in seconds, ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and keeps the project moving forward without any ambiguity. Here's how to refine that approach. When I use a more specific, detailed prompt, the response is significantly better. Notice the structure and specificity. Our first key takeaway is that ChatGPT can be an incredible asset for meeting management. From automatically drafting clear agendas to generating detailed minutes and action items from your raw notes, you can significantly reduce the administrative burden. This means more productive meetings and clearer communication for everyone involved, freeing you up for more impactful work. As an admin, you're constantly communicating emails, announcements, internal memos. Our second powerful prompt focuses on streamlining these communications, helping you draft messages that are clear, concise, and perfectly tailored to your audience and purpose. Say goodbye to staring at a blank screen, wondering how to start. Whether you need to send a complex policy update or a simple event reminder, ChatGPT can help you draft compelling communications. You can specify the recipient, the message's purpose, the desired tone, professional, friendly, urgent, and even ask it to include specific details. This ensures your messages are always on point, saving you the mental effort and time of crafting each one from scratch. Here's a lab to practice your communication skills with ChatGPT. This prompt asks it to act as an office manager, drafting an internal announcement. Remember to fill in your company name, the policy type, effective date, and key details. The constraint ensures the tone is positive and includes a crucial call to action. Pause the video now, copy this prompt, customize it, and see how quickly you can draft a professional announcement. What a fantastic announcement! ChatGPT has not only structured this perfectly as an email, but also maintained a wonderfully positive and informative tone, as requested. The bullet points clearly present the key details, and the call to action to review the full policy is right where it should be. This demonstrates how you can consistently generate professional, clear, and engaging communications with the right prompt, saving you so much time. Here's how to refine that approach. When I use a more specific, detailed prompt, the response is significantly better. Notice the structure and specificity. So the big takeaway here is that ChatGPT is a powerful ally for all your administrative communications. You can draft emails, announcements, and memos faster and with greater precision, always ensuring your message hits the mark. By guiding its output, you maintain control over the tone and content, projecting professionalism and clarity in every interaction. Administrators often deal with a deluge of information, long reports, endless email threads, detailed documents. Our third crucial prompt tackles this challenge head-on, showing you how ChatGPT can become your personal summarization expert. Stop drowning in data and start distilling it into exactly what you need to know, fast. Whether it's a 50-page report you need to digest or a lengthy email thread to catch up on, ChatGPT can quickly extract the most important information. You can specify the desired length of the summary, the audience, and even ask for specific types of information, like action items or potential risks. This skill is invaluable for keeping yourself and your team informed without getting lost in the details every single time. Now for our final lab. This prompt will help you summarize a project update efficiently. You'll take on the role of a project coordinator and distill a longer piece of text into an executive summary, complete with progress, roadblocks, and next steps. Fill in your project name and details, paste a longer update, and then hit go. Remember to pause and try this out to truly feel the power of AI summarization. This summary is a shining example of concise, actionable information. ChatGPT has beautifully extracted the essential elements: clear progress updates, a direct mention of the roadblock, and a numbered list of next steps, complete with responsible parties. Imagine how much time this saves you and your team every week. This prompt ensures critical information is never missed and always presented in an easy-to-digest format, boosting overall team efficiency. Here's how to refine that approach. When I use a more specific, detailed prompt, the response is significantly better. Notice the structure and specificity. Our final key takeaway is the incredible power of ChatGPT for information summarization. You can quickly distill lengthy documents, emails, or reports into concise, actionable summaries tailored to your needs. This helps you and your team stay informed without getting bogged down, making information overload a thing of the past. It's truly a game changer for administrative efficiency. You've just unlocked some incredible tools for your administrative toolkit. We started by solidifying our understanding of the RCTFC Framework, which is crucial for any AI interaction. Then, we explored 3 powerful ChatGPT prompts: one for mastering meeting management, another for streamlining your communications, and a third for intelligently summarizing information. You're now equipped to tackle daily tasks with unprecedented efficiency and confidence. If you found these prompts helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials designed to boost your productivity. Remember, the full lab guide is available in the video description. What other specific administrative tasks or software integrations would you love to see tackled with AI next? Let me know in the comments.